Hello students, today I am going to discuss how we traverse pre-order, in-order, post-order traversing. So what will be the process? First you have to, if you want to traverse pre-order, the norms is first to visit a route, then left, then right. In-order traversal, first visit left, then route, then right. And in post order traversal, the norms is left, right, route. And one more thing you have to remember, it is a key that you have to remember. If you remember, then you may solve a long problem. So if first time visit, it is comes under pre-order. If second time visit, it comes under in-order, and in third time visit, it comes under post-order traversal. So we start to traversing. As I told you, first time, second time, and third time. So first we have to write here pre-order, in-order, and post-order. Okay, now start to visit from F. It comes and visit to F. Now because it is visit first time, so it is route. So right here first time visit, write in pre-order F. Again it visit to V, first time B. It visit to A, first time visit, so A is there. Now it again visit to A, second time. When second time it start to visit A, so you have to write in order. Now it again visit to A, third time visit to A, so write here A. Now B again visit, B will visit in second time, so write here in order. Now visit D, first time, so D right here. Now visit C, first time, it is first time, so right here. Now again C visit, C again visited, so second time it is in, so right here C. It is again visited, C again visited, third time, so right here C. Now it has to visit D second time, so right here D. Now it visit E first time, so right here E. Now E will be visited second time, so right here E. Now E will be visited third time, so right here E. Again D will be visited in third time, so right here D. And again B will be visited in third time, so right here B. Again F will be visited second time, so right here F. Again G has to be visited first time, so write in pre-order. Now again G has to be visited here second time, so right here G. Now I has to be visited first time, right here I. Now H will be visited first time, so right here H. Again H will be visited second time, so right here H in order. Again H will be visited third time, so write here, third time write here H in post order. Now again I will be visited in second time, so write in order. Again I will be visited third time, so write here I. Again third time G will be visited, G, and again F will be visited third time, F. In this way we get pre-order, in order, post order traversing. Thank you.